Hey guys, let's review adding and subtracting decimals. Just like when you add and subtract whole numbers, make sure that you line up all of your numbers in the correct places. We have 14 and 7 tenths, and I'm going to add 2 and 803 thousandths. So when I line up my numbers vertically, I want to make sure all my places are lined up. I have a 2 in the ones place. I'm going to add my decimal, an 8 in the tenths place, a 0 in the hundredths place, a 3 in the thousandths place. I'm going to add these two decimals. Now, I don't have digits here. I can leave that blank, or I can add zeros as placeholders. 0 plus 3, 3. 7 plus 8, 15. I'm going to regroup my 1 into the ones place. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So my answer is 17 and 503 thousandths. Let's take a look at another problem. Here we have 72 and 3 hundredths minus 42 and 999 thousandths. Let's line up our numbers vertically, making sure that my numbers line up in the proper places and my decimals are lined up. All right, in this case, I am going to add a 0 for my placeholder. Now, I know, just like with subtracting whole numbers, I cannot take 9 from 0, but I am going to regroup. 10 minus 9 is 1. 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 4 is 2. Let's review. If I have 3 tenths and 15 hundredths, which is the bigger number? Well, this number has 2 digits in it, so it must be bigger, correct? Nope, that is not correct. You have to look at each place, and the bigger number in the tenths place is the bigger value. This number has a 3 in the tenths place. This number has a 1 in the tenths place. Therefore, this number is closer to 1 whole. It is the bigger number. 3 tenths is greater than 15 hundredths. Let's look at a more difficult problem. Here we have 6 ones, 3 thousandths, minus 4 ones, 2 tenths. Let's rewrite that on our board as 6 ones and, anytime I have a decimal, I say the word and, 6 ones and 3 thousandths. Well, what am I going to put? I've got to put something in the tenths place, something in the hundredths place, and something in the thousandths place. If the 3 goes in the thousandths place, that means I fill in with zeros in the tenths place and the hundredths place. Now I'm going to subtract 4 ones, put my decimal, and 2 tenths. I will put a 2 in the tenths place. I don't have digits in these 2 places. I can leave that blank, or I can add a 0 as a placeholder. 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is, what do I have to do? I have to regroup. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. My answer to 6 ones, 3 thousandths, minus 4 ones, 2 tenths is 1 and 803 thousandths. Let's look at another problem. 7 ones, 4 hundredths, plus 2 ones, 9 tenths. Let's rewrite that vertically. 7 ones, 4 hundredths. Let's see, I'm going to put a 0 in the tenths place and a 4 in the hundredths place, plus 2 and 9 tenths. I can put a 0 here for a placeholder if I want to. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 9 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9.